So just got home and we sent it. Picked up the Razor 650. Woohoo! Hell yeah, they love it. Successful trip, boys. Let's crack this thing open. Looks like a 10 mil. Yep. It's the back not off. And the front part. It's not looking too flash, but anyway, we'll keep that aside. And out comes this one as well. That's right, I think, actually, I thought that the tank came off as well, but it must stay. So there's actually a bolt either side of the shrouds down here as well that I'm going to take off. There we go. There we go, there's the left side. Oh, I didn't even record that then, but I just once I took these bolts out, this just slid right off. And there was another bolt in the bottom of the tank that I took off. So I just missed that recording again, but I just took the bolts out of the top. And now there's some Phillips heads up in here I'm going to take out. So my phone keeps stopping the recording for some reason. There we go. So these actually look like a disconnect. There we go, so we got the other side cover off. Lovely. Okay guys, so if I get electrocuted, at least it's on camera because you know I don't really know what I'm doing. Need to get these batteries out of here nonetheless. Now I'm going to disconnect all these terminals. Oh god. And disconnect this one. Okay, so now we got to cut a couple of zip ties. Get rid of that. So I think that's what we need to plug into the battery. And we'll take these Allens out. Okay, keep that. Okay, so I got all the batteries out finally. Now we're going to do a test. Don't know how effective this will be, but sure it's enough to do a test. I need something to sit that on. Now the wires off this 40 volt system are tiny, but if all else fails, put them in series another way. Two wires well away from each other here, and plug the batteries in. Hopefully we don't have a fire. 2. Doesn't work. So we're not getting anything off that. So I don't think this is a complete failure yet. My plan is to go to Jcar and get 2 diodes and wire this setup in series and bugger off all that. I think that's going to work. So I'll show you guys the thing that I read up online about the power tool batteries. I'm going to go pick up 2 diodes, probably a switch and a voltmeter as well, and we'll get this going when I get back. This thing doesn't work, so I'm just going to cut it off here and take this to Jcar too. Let's go. So this is what I got it from Jcar, guys. Some connectors for this, voltmeter, 2 diodes, I think. I don't know what I'm doing, and some more wire. So I'm not going to film myself doing this because I don't really know what I'm doing. So I'll get this sorted and I'll show you guys if it worked. Alright, so after about an hour of fucking around, I've got this thing wired in series. So hopefully it works. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I think I got these wired the right way, and yeah, I'm about to splice these wires and test it out. Okay, so it's plugged in kinda. So far so good, except for this. Okay, third step. Yes! Yes! She is Makita Power! Hell yeah. She's on full power. Heck yeah. Alright, so now we got to figure out a nice way to secure all that. Probably hot glue or something in there and mount all that up. But heck yeah, we are Gucci. Looking good. Just to get this thing running, I've made this little box here. Like this thing, drilled a hole in the back for the red and the black wire. And this thing should just slip into it. Just like so. And I'm going to put 3 screws in that. 1 in there and 2 up the top. And then we'll probably just zip tie it in or something for now. Okay, so I've got the battery box installed. And it's just back here. So I can slide it in. What I'm going to do is just put the cover back on one side. Not this side, just that side. So I've got the on and off switch and all that. And then we're good to go. So I'm going to chuck this cover on and then the frame on. Then I might do a range test for you guys. Everything's back together. This is just heavy duty double-sided tape down and the 1 zip tie. I've got the other cover on for the on off switch. So I should just be able to put this battery in first. 1, 2. I just put one of these heavy duty lines over that. That's where the power cable plugs in. So that's 2 batteries plugged in. Flicker on. Oh no. Oh, it was on. Hell yeah. Sweet as. Now everything's back together. It's time for the range test. Alright. Makita batteries. Range test. Oh, my peg's down. Well, it already feels more peppy. I don't know whether it's just because I haven't ridden it. Oh shit. We gotta do the range test app. We made it up this hill last time. Definitely feels more torquey. There's no way we made it up that quick before. It's definitely a lot lighter though. Not sure about top speed. Don't know if my app recorded all that. I'd say that's close to a kilometer maybe. So far so good for the Firemans. Give them a bit of a coast here. Feels faster than I was going before, I reckon. Fuck off. See, I don't know how low this is going to draw these batteries. Just going to have a quick look what the Makita cutoff. Alright, I could definitely push these batteries beyond the point of no returns. I don't think there's any voltage cutoff on these batteries, so I think I'm just going to return home. Oh, here we go, we got a low light. Let's check what the batteries are at. Three bar. Oh yeah, she's pretty low. Push it a little bit further. I'm not a kid, yo. I've got more smiles and more waves on this little thing than I've ever got on this run. So that's about as far as I guess I'd comfortably push my work batteries. Oh, they're flat. Oh, it easily pulls itself up. Oh, no back brake, that's right. Whew. Oh, we'll go get this gate. Not bad. 4.6 kilometers. We'll save that. Makita 1. About half the range, half the weight. Way easy to recharge. She warm. If you guys want to see what me and the MX650 get up to in the next couple of months with the Suron as well, there's going to be some major power upgrades going down on this thing. Going to chuck those Suron forks on the front, going to upgrade the rear shock, going to put hydraulic brakes on it. Definitely going to get a full thrust throttle as well. So see you guys in the next one.
My brain.